Can you give me an advice? Is not correct. That would be, can you give me some advice? I have many homeworks. I have a lot of homeworks. People is very friendly here. People are very friendly here is plural. Where you are going? Where are you going? So that would be, where are you going? What means this word? What does this word means? So this word means come at the end. What does this word means? I'm here since 2 years. I have been here for 2 years. So it's perfect. I have been here for 2 years. Yesterday I have seen him. Because of yesterday we have past. I have saw him. I need to buy new furnitures. No S at the end. I need to buy new furniture.